The overall goal of this psychophysical procedure is to determine the threshold for vibration detection and tactile spatial acuity.
This method can help us ask some quite interesting questions about somatosensory physiology, in particular about the sense of touch. The main advantage of this method is that we can obtain quantitative information about mechanosensory profiles in individuals, and this information can be used both for clinical diagnosis as well as for basic research.
We first applied this method in a twin study to test whether touch traits in people are heritable. Visual demonstration of this method is critical as depiction of the procedure as well as the adaptive method we use are complex.
Begin to assemble the components of the device by placing a 40 cm by 80 cm smooth surface board on a table. Then, place a brass bar on this board. Afterwards, ready the controller unit. Next, connect the response box and the monitor device to the data acquisition system. Then, screw the custom-made stimulating probe to the moving part of the piezoelectric actuator. Finally, mount the piezoelectric actuator with the probe on the balanced brass bar. Begin by bringing the subject into a quiet room and seat them near the device. Inform the subject about the testing procedure and have them sign a written consent form. Then,